Welcome back, car enthusiasts. Today we have an exciting adventure in store for you as we delve into the world of automotive giants. In this episode, we're going to explore the awe-inspiring, massive car known as the Hummer. So, buckle up and get ready for an exhilarating ride. A brief history of the Hummer. Before we dive into the present, let's take a look at the roots of this iconic vehicle. The Hummer, originally designed for military use, gained immense popularity and was eventually made available for civilians. It was initially inspired by the high-mobility multipurpose wheeled vehicle HMMWV used by the U.S. Army. Its robust design and off-road capabilities quickly captured the imagination of car enthusiasts worldwide. The beast unleashed exterior features. Now, let us examine the exterior features that make the Hummer truly stand out from the crowd. With its imposing size and aggressive stance, the Hummer demands attention wherever it goes. It features a rugged and muscular body, massive wheels, and a high ground clearance that enables it to conquer any terrain with ease. Engine and performance. Underneath that colossal hood lies an equally impressive powertrain. The Hummer boasts a powerful engine that delivers an exhilarating driving experience. From its early days with diesel engines to the modern versions with electric powertrains, the Hummer has evolved while maintaining its reputation for raw power and performance. Luxurious beast interior features. While the Hummer is known for its rugged capabilities, it doesn't compromise on comfort and luxury. Step inside, and you'll find a spacious and well-appointed cabin with premium materials and advanced technology. The Hummer offers a range of luxurious features, including high-quality leather upholstery, cutting-edge infotainment systems, and driver assistance technologies. Environmental consciousness. The electric revolution. In recent years, the Hummer has embraced the electric revolution. With the introduction of the all-new electric Hummer, it not only retains its power and performance but also takes a significant step toward sustainability. The electric version boasts zero emissions and offers impressive range capabilities, making it a greener and more eco-friendly option. And there you have it, folks. The Hummer, the world's biggest car, combines power, performance, and luxury in a truly remarkable way. Whether you're tackling challenging terrains or cruising through the city streets, the Hummer leaves an indelible impression. Join us next time as we explore more fascinating vehicles that push the boundaries of automotive engineering. Until then, stay tuned and keep driving.